All right, Toyota fans, we got you covered. TRD Heritage stripe for the front nose of the 2024 Land Cruiser. This kit's super simple to install. You probably don't need any instructions. In the kit, you're going to get an alcohol swab to prep the surface, and of course, the design that you choose. We have over 10 options available on the site. Install, we're going to start. Open up your little alcohol swab. We're just going to prep the surface. Give that a quick wipe down. All right, once you've prepped the surface, go ahead and peel it off. And we're just going to do a dry install. Line up and then fold over just to the front edge here. We like to line ours up with the second slot of this grill on the far left side right here. So what I like to do, get this top edge lined up first, and then kind of eyeball where that matches and tack down that top like that, and then you can run your finger down like this and fold it right over, and it should perfectly fit. It's that simple. We just added a little TRD splash of color on the front end. If you're interested in picking up one of these kits, visit vinylfoxusa.com. Till next time, keep it stupid simple.